If you thought Horizon Aircraft's Cavorite X7 already looked wild, you're not wrong. Even in the anything-goes world of hybrid eVTOLs, this thing stood out. But now, Horizon has gone back to the drawing board and refined the design to make it sleeker, more efficient in cruise, and even safer in flight. We first heard about the Canadian company back in 2021, when it revealed the X7's earlier sibling, the Cavorite X5. From the start, the idea was pretty bold. Just like the X5, the X7 uses a split-wing setup that lets it take off and land vertically like a helicopter. In the original X7 layout, there were 5 battery-powered lift fans in each wing, plus 2 smaller fans in each of the canards up front, giving it a total of 14 fans dedicated to vertical lift. Once the aircraft climbs to altitude, things change. A gas-powered pusher propeller at the rear takes over for forward flight, and the wings and canards start doing what they do best on a traditional airplane, producing lift. To help with that, aerodynamic covers slide over the lift fans, smoothing out the airflow and turning the whole aircraft into something much closer to a conventional fixed-wing design. It's a really smart concept, but Horizon decided it could be improved. The big change here is a reduction in the number of fans, bringing the total down from 14 to 12. The company announced that update last Wednesday, explaining that the 4 smaller fans in the canards are being replaced by just 2 fans, 1 in each canard, and they're the same size as the fans in the wings. That might sound like a small tweak, but it actually helps a lot by simplifying manufacturing, boosting performance, and making maintenance easier, all without sacrificing safety margins. On top of that, the canards and the tail have been reshaped to cut down on drag. That means better energy efficiency, improved stability, and smoother cruising when the aircraft is flying forward. It's the kind of behind-the-scenes aerodynamic work that doesn't always get attention, but it makes a big difference in real-world performance. Inside the cabin, there are changes too. Horizon has slightly stretched the cabin and redesigned the windows, giving passengers more legroom and better sightlines, which should make the ride more comfortable and a lot more enjoyable. What hasn't changed are the headline numbers, and they're still pretty impressive. The production version of the Cavorite X7 is planned to carry 6 passengers plus a pilot, cruise at around 450 kilometers per hour, or about 280 miles per hour, and cover up to 800 kilometers, roughly 497 miles, even with reserves. If Horizon can deliver on all of that, this could be one of the most capable hybrid eVTOLs we've seen yet.